change cameras, hopefully. Son of a bitch.
I think it's... Isn't it down here?
That's so
Flip
stupid.
camera.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hey, how are y'all? Hello.
Meow.
Look, Tommy's here, too.
Tommy Doodles. It's Tommy Wadden.
Tommy looked like a man tonight. He's serious. Look out.
So serious.
So, yeah, guys, we
Are
are outside. Let's go this way.
Okay.
Did you not want the handle thing?
Nah. I'm fine like this. It's actually kind of comfortable the way the light sits on my side.
Oh,
So,
that's right. You gotta hold it like that anyway.
So yeah, guys, we are out here trying to find, what's up, Bearded
What
Dad?
we heard last time.
What we heard a few nights ago was some like weird ass noises and some knocking. And
Ass noises.
it was around this time, so we're gonna go figure out what the heck it was.
I'm excited. I hope we hear it again.
God, I just need to keep my face forward. I'm gonna run into some shit.
Watch out for spider webs.
Hey, Matt, over here, Matt.
Oh God! Oh!
Look what I can do.
We discovered a cool new place today.
Did we?
Yeah, the coffee place.
Oh yeah, we went to a little place called Fifth Element Coffee and Nutrition Bar, and it's here in Argo. It was amazing. Yeah, you should walk out in front. Give us something to look at. Yeah, I was talking to Tommy. Yeah, big papa.
Ghost hunting.
Ghost hunting. Look at good God, it's terrifying. What's up, Pixie?
You crab in the well? You hear that?
Some say the body of Grimace is in this well.
Grimace is in this. Some say the body of Grimace is in this
I
well.
died in there once.
This one time.
What is this? Is this something we found and put it? How old
It's
do you
hard to
think
get
this
the
thing
angle
is?
right on here.
I'm not going down
Yeah.
there to drop it. This is fucking
I'll
awesome.
go down
Something
there.
jumped
How
out.
old do you
Yeah.
think this thing is?
Oh, that came from our house.
Cool looking.
Yeah.
Back in 1834, this well was
Wheels.
built by my great-grandfather. And that's the wheel he used on his unicycle.
This is a shitty ass unit that's of metal.
Is this like a fire button?
It's a weather vane.
Oh, okay.
What's up, Ecto? Hello, sir.
Is this different? I did it on I can't tell what it says.
You can't really see. Let me see if I can cut my light down just a squinch.
You might be able to do it from an angle.
That's up. I mean, my phone has pretty. Look at that. The light is even dimmer for me than it is on my daggum phone. So yeah, I can still see just fine. Well, I can't see off in the distance very well. There's some writing here. It looks like it's in some sort of Sumerian. Do not read it out loud, Grim.
Okay.
That's ancient English cuneic form.
Yeah. It says poured, slab, yada yada yada.
You think this rope was toasted?
No, I don't think that's a rope. I think that might be Legos.
I said it would hold it.
Oh,
like,
no.
Get a drink of water.
Not in the least. Guys, we're hunting for ghosts, not playing with whales.
Oh yeah, let's go.
We're supposed to be hunting for ghosts right now. In the well?
No, in the woods.
Oh. Well, okay, that's fair. That's fair.
Trying to lure us with his 3 knocks.
With his 3 knocks, because he knows our branding. I'll give you guys some more light. It's a well of a time. That's a well of a time. that doesn't work.
One of those.
Is an aeroplane.
There's a fucking
Light bright, light
It is
bright.
bright.
Color the magic with shining light. I don't remember the rest of that song, but it's pretty close. Is this less blinding?
It's less. It's
Okay.
less, definitely less.
Stars are pretty.
I don't know. Should we put you on live so you can see?
I mean, I could. It doesn't seem that bad.
Hey, ghost.
Hey,
Come
go.
on out.
Hey, ghost.
Hey, ghost.
Hey, this is open.
Oh no. Who opened that?
Just watch out for horse shit.
You ever come out here?
I have before. As a young boy. Back in my youth. Ah, many a fun times had here. Go to Bass Cemetery. We are in. This is Carol land here. There's horse shit. Horse shit everywhere. Yeah. Compare. Yeah, that's why we're walking around here. Yeah, this is Carol property. The horses be over that way. They're probably over near the house. Honestly. Yeah, exactly. If they hear the fucking weird ass shit we were hearing, they'll probably start shooting at something. What's up, Bloodshed? We are hunting for ghosts. The other night we did a live on Facebook. And there were these weird, there was some weird noises, and then there was like these distinctive 3 knocks. So we're out here looking to see if we can't figure out what that is.
Perhaps we'll find what was knocking.
Maybe so.
We can go chill over here next to these things. As this is where we heard the sound at. Last time was over when we were over here. Well, we heard it up top, but we heard it really well over here. What's up, Miss Miley? We're ghost hunting.
Hey, yo, ghost. Come out, you bitch.
Come on out, you bitches.
No balls.
See the blood on my shoes still?
She got blood on her shoes. Do. Oh, metal detector. That's terrible. We're doing good. Yeah, we're ghost hunting. Oh, no worries. Rotten Night was fucking wild, though. Good God, that was a wild night.
It was.
Hold on, let me get out my PMS detector.
It's an EKG, you idiot.
Oh, yeah. I'm bad with acronyms.
Something, the live went away. I must have hit a button.
The trailer I was playing on.
Oh shit, the trailer's gone.
Yeah,
Maybe the knocking noise took the trailer.
maybe it did.
We're out here hunting for ghosts, guys. We heard weird ass noises out here the other night.
Is there any
Ah, shit. Oh God.
Wheel chalk.
Oh, almost tripped over that. I mean, I did trip over that. Guys, you remember the other night when we found this abandoned cart full of tires? The abnormality of it all. What are these tires doing in here? What did they do to deserve this sort of impingement? Oh my God, that's a whiskey jug right there.
Should we play it?
Boom, 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 boom.
spiders come out and get into
Yeah, just jump in your mouth. Oh, let's go. Tommy, let's go. Warm up that jug.
I don't know how.
Trash. Trash.
My ancestors are frowning upon me.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, boy, you can't even blow on that jug right.
I thought it was a ghost.
Oh, God, it's a ghost. Ooh.
There's all this shit.
Must be the ghost of
Garbage.
Christmas trash.
whatever
Garbage ghost.
Margaritaville fellow's name is. I know, strange sounds at night. Who would have thought?
Are we supposed to sit still? And
Oh yeah, we're supposed to chill out now. We're gonna wait here, and we're gonna listen and see if we hear shit.
So if you guys want to listen,
Well, you want to walk up this way for a second?
You gotta be careful of ticks.
What's up, Spite? Look, there's a spider. Right there. I don't know if I can get in without disrupting his web. Oh, God. The tree grabbed me. Just whistle a tune. Oh, my God.
Yeah, just walking up.
I just walked into a spider's web. Lordy mercy, I hate disrupting. Oh, no. I hate worse rubbing my makeup. Which is what I just did.
Great.
Ruined.
I think I'm still good. Yep.
Man, just the screen brightness is really good.
I know, right? It's ridiculous.
Alright, we're pretty much in the middle of these woods. So, stay right here.
Let's crank up the lux on this so you guys can see where we're at.
Okay, I'm going to be quiet and try to listen.
Oh my God, it's the Blair Witch! The kid's over in the corner. Oh, Tommy's taking a wee-wee.
Oh my God. Didn't warn anybody.
He seldom does. Seldom does. What's up, Smiley?
All the little buggy wugs flying around.
I know, it seems like the bugs like my light a lot. They're just doing their thing, being bugs and sorts. I have bugs stuck to my face
Don't you
paint.
just love this? I wish I had some lima beans.
Eyes on the tree line, yeah, I
What's
know,
Tom
right?
doing?
Idiot. Mr. Smiley, hello, cuts. Hello, hello.
Rather quiet.
We're going to try to be really quiet for a little bit and just see.
The bug's kind of a cool effect.
Dude, you should definitely go to Malice for the toy drive. We'll be there.
We'll be there.
Did you hear that?
What the fuck was that?
You didn't hear that over there where I'm pointing the camera at?
I don't hear it.
It sounded like something like.
I did. It's kind of like somebody threw some shit.
It did. It sounded like somebody threw a fucking pine cone or something.
Or like at least two of them.
Right, all the way to Point Pleasant? Sure, yeah, we can do that. It's just a hop, skip, and a fucking few thousand miles away. What's up, Scotty boy? Rotten 13.
Fuck was that?
What the fuck was that?
No fucking way.
Did y'all hear that just now? Anybody hear that? Listen, guys. What the fuck? Okay, let's go over here.
Don't leave me in the fucking dark.
Oh, what the fuck is that? Okay, y'all heard that shit, right?
That one might have been solid, but that fucking thing is weird as fuck. Are like birds in here or anything?
I don't think it's too late for birds. Fucking-
Like owls and shit. Maybe.
there it is. Look, I hear it right there. What the fuck was that? That somebody says it's a death whistle. Wait, hold on. Shh. 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 Shh.
I'm not going in there.
Stop fucking moving. Is that a truck?
I think I hear a truck. It might have been the truck making that.
That's a weird fucking break.
Oh. What the fuck? Okay, come on. I think, let's go around over here, dude. It sounds like it's in the middle of the woods. We can get through over here. Did you guys knock down the spider web?
I don't know. We went the other way. Wait,
Oh.
did we come this way?
I don't know. I don't remember now.
That's not a fucking animal.
It's not even fucking windy out.
Look, Ryan's out here with his damn equipment shit. He's probably moving shit around.
You have his fucking number.
Well, I'm not going to unlive. Look on your phone. See if you got his number. He's probably doing something.
Number, Matt.
Come on, let's go this way.
Matt,
Come on.
are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah. No, come on.
I don't have his fucking number.
Where the fuck are you going, dude? I don't
I'm going over there to where the sound's coming from.
Matt, I'm seriously about to lose my goddamn shit. I'm not fucking kidding.
You ever
I'm
seen
not
those like
fucking
white
kidding.
people in fucking horror movies?
Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. It sounds like it's just up here.
Matt! Trust you guys.
Look, do you want the light?
I hate you.
Shh. Look, I don't even hear it anymore. I don't hear it now. Stop moving. Hold on. It's probably the truck moving through. Because he came through and then we heard that noise.
Matt, that is not a fucking truck. I'm not fucking playing.
You guys are fucking pussies. Come on. It sounded like it was over here.
Matt!
That sounds like it's over near the house.
Matt. I'm not going.
I'm going
I'm
over
not
there.
fucking going.
Tommy, come on.
Nah, dude.
You don't want to know what the fuck that is.
I'm seriously about to lose my fucking shit. I'm not fucking kidding.
Alright, fuck it.
Come on.
I'm not going. Fuck you guys.
Come on, dude.
No!
You can't do it by yourself.
No! No!
Hold on, wait. I swear to you, there's something like red glowing up there. Do you see that? You guys see that right there?